Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. If you click on this video, 9 times out of 10, you want to know what a jackfruit is or how to open this bad boy up. Today I'm going to show you how to open up a jackfruit and also 10 benefits of eating a jackfruit. Radicals, aging, eye protection, and it also gives you a boost of energy. So that's great thing about jackfruit. And y'all, this is not gonna be easy. Like, don't think that you finna come in here and cut this jackfruit like an avocado, because you're not. It is hard to open, and it's definitely something So I cut off the top where it was not looking too good and molded, and also cut this in half so I can make sure I get no molded pieces or no bad pieces in here. So yeah. Alright guys, so I have cut most of my jackfruit up, and this is the flesh powder that you get out of jackfruit. This one looks a lot more yellow than the other one that I had, so it smells a lot more sweet. So I'm thinking it's gonna be more sweet. So we're gonna do a taste test and see what it tastes like. Not smell. It smells like Hubba Bubba or juicy fruit. And let's taste it. It tastes, okay, it is a bit sweeter. It's a little bit more sweeter, but overall it just gives you like this really natural, juicy fruit, like cross of a pineapple or a pear. It tastes really good. So before I end this video, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know the last few health benefits of eating jackfruit. But before you do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Jackfruit can help fight insomnia, cancer. It can also improve your heart health, and if you have asthma, it can relieve you of asthma symptoms. So this fruit is definitely beneficial when it comes to your health, from vitamin A, vitamin C, helping your immune system, cholesterol, heart health, digestive system, insomnia. It can heal ulcers, and it can help asthma attacks, asthma related symptoms. It helps aging. Like, this is definitely the fruit that you want to be eating on a daily if you can catch it, because it is an exotic fruit. This was my video on how to open a jackfruit and the benefits of eating jackfruit. My name is Jasmine. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.